Hi guys, now I have a lot of 18650 battery over here. There's a lot of one, and also this one, and this one also, and also this box is full of 18650 battery. And you can open this thing, and there we go. It's full of 18650 out here. So the problem is charging this thing might be charging and testing this 18650 battery. I need a good charger to charge this and test what is the capacity of each of these cell. So I buy an charger, and this is the one, and it's called LiitoKaka Lii 500 18650 battery charger. So now we will open this and test this if this one is work. I only buy the bare bone, the charger only, so we need, I think we need a 12 volts 2 amp charger. So I have over here. So okay, let's try to open this thing. It's wrapped in double wrap. Oh my god. So I just removed that. So nothing inside. So it's say LiitoKaka intelligent battery, and there's the model from LiitoKaka.com. So nothing here. So okay, I'm gonna open this thing, and there it is. We have manual, we have here, and the charger. Oops. So okay, and there you go. And there it is, 2 volts. And at the back it say LiitoKaka, and the input voltage is 12 volts 2 amp. And also it can charge the list of include battery here. I just wanted to say this, the list over here. Yeah, this is a certificate original product. So we try to power these things if this one is working. So might be I receive, if I did not power this, it might be I receive a default faulty one. Okay, I have here a 12 volts 2 amp. There you go. Here, 12 volts 2 amp. Okay, let's try it. Oops, oh my god, I forgot to get my outlet. Okay, let's try to create my outlet. And there you go. So for now it's null, so it's no battery. So I get one of the battery here. So this one. Oh wait, we take this one, the red one. So we will test for this one. So I have 4. Okay, we try to, and also we have to follow, because this is the positive sides, the lower one, and the negative sides on the top one. There's a battery indicator, so we can mistake putting the battery. So I think my battery is something not working, still null. I think there's something wrong with my battery. So I think this one is a 0 volts, so it means it will not detect the charger. So we need to take this first. So we need I think a good battery. So how about this one? This one has a, check, this one is, oh, there we go. This one is good. Yeah, 2 is good. So I need this one again. Yeah. The other one is not working, so we need this another one. Supposed to be maybe this one. Yeah, 3 also working, and this one. Yeah, also the 4 one is not working, so need another one. So this one might be work. Again, battery is that, I think the battery will not work in 0 volts. So some of my battery is 0 volts, so we might test this again. There we go. So I have now the one battery is 3.38 volts, the one is 4.9 volts, and the one with 3.7 volts, and the other one is 2 volts. So for now we need to, so this one is working. So this is the end of the video. So I will add a new video. It's the full review of this, so how we can test the mode of this thing. So I will read the manual first, so I can know how to operate this thing. I just only try this thing, this one is working, so I will not have received a faulty charger. So this one is now charging, and I will test this for now. I will create a new video about this one, testing this charger. Thank you guys for watching. See you for the next video.